All right, so welcome back. In this video, I plan on cleaning up the block. I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but for now, it's just cleaning up the block, hopefully paint it. I need to track down water pump housing. Maybe by the end of this video, I'll get one, but for now, it's gonna be cleaning out all this corrosion, all this stuff to prep it for some paint. So I'm just gonna, not even time lapse this, I'm just gonna come back to you when it's clean. So stay tuned. So I did a bunch of boring stuff off camera, clean it. I primed it off camera because I don't care. I'm just gonna show you kind of the process. So it's primed. I'm gonna give it about half an hour to go back to it. Enjoy my Dutch Brothers Golden Eagle in the meantime. And then come back, prime it a second time, and then lay a base coat of silver. I did paint over absolutely everything because a lot of it's going to be replaced. Bolts and whatnot, front cover bolts. I'd like to put some fancy stuff on there at some point, so it is what it is. But there's step right. So it is now painted, and I think this VHT aluminum colored paint worked out really good. I've used Rust-Oleum, and I think it looked a little fake. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I think this one really cleaned up the engine. Looks really good in the sun here. I'm thinking some titanium hardware would look awesome with this whole silver setup, but it is pretty much ready to go as far as the engine goes. But I think it came out really good. All right, so it didn't even take long, but I got the replacement part for this K24 water neck. I got it from Touge factory, so I'm gonna put that on right now. All right, so the last piece is on. The billet water neck set up for wheel drive for this old girl from Touge factory. It's pretty looking and it's functional, so you can't beat that. So this part is important to get ahead of time before everything because you can't put the motor in without this piece. It's just too close to the firewall. So this will probably conclude this video. I painted the K24, cleaned it up, got the ugliest valve cover in the whole world, but that'll go somewhere sometime. Got the Touge factory wheel drive water neck, and I think next time, or one of the next things I want to do is get the adapter plate and or the motor mounts. I haven't decided which one first, but I'm leaning more towards the motor mounts. Those will come from 625 Inc. They have a setup that'll put this in with a stock oil pan, unlike some of the others that are going to get very expensive. That'll save me some money by just using the stock pan. So till next time, it's Chris Built 92. Later.